Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to reset your Keurig Duo coffee maker. Now, first I want you to go ahead and power off your Keurig Duo. So you press the power button to turn it off, okay? And you just unplug the machine from the wall outlet and you remove the water reservoir, lift it straight up off the base, okay? And then you wait for at least 10 minutes. This allows the internal computer to fully reset. And some sources even suggest even longer. You can do up to 30 minutes to an hour for more stubborn issues. And then what you do is you just plug the machine back in. And then you power on your coffee maker, okay? And then you wait for the add water indicator to basically flash. This confirms that the machine recognizes that the reservoir is missing. And then you just reattach the water reservoir and make sure it's seated firmly and correctly. And then you just wait for the add water indicator to stop flashing. And then you just open and close the K-cup compartment handle. This helps prime the system, and your machine should now be reset and ready to brew. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.